I'm Alex, and I'm Dill.
One.
Hey, what's up? I'm Kabir. You may recognize me from some FNN segments. I'm going to be playing the role of Jem.
Oh, hey there. I'm Daniel. I'm going to be playing the role of Scout.
I got an idea.
Jem, come play with us.
We want to play something.
Only if we play a Blue Rad game.
Sounds good.
Fine, as long as Atticus doesn't find out.
Jem! Scout! Dinner's ready! We'll play after supper. Meet in the backyard. Let's eat this quick so we can meet Dill outside.
Alright, what will we do?
I don't know. We'll figure it out when we're out there. Are you guys ready to play the Michelangelo game?
Question.
Yeah.
How do we play?
We're gonna be detectives. We're gonna go down and look for Michelangelo. And look for clues.
Nice.
Are we gonna split up?
I don't want to. I'm scared.
Oh, hush, Scout. You go with Dill. I'll go by myself.
Yeah, we can cover more ground that way.
Well, alright.
Alright, let's look around the house first.
I can't find nothing.
We've been looking for 20 minutes.
Wait, Jem, Dill, what's that? What's that?
Golly, Scout! Good job!
It's a footprint, and it looks like it's leading to the forest.
Let's follow the tracks.
Do you guys think Mr. Yule's gonna hurt Atticus?
I don't think so. Atticus is the best shot in Macon.
I don't know. I'm worried for Atticus. Mr. Yu is real mad and he doesn't even carry a gun. He doesn't even have one.
The tracks stop here.
Alright, it's time to split up. I'll go by myself. Dill, Scout, you go that way. Split! I just need one more clue. Where could he be?
Where is Michelangelo?
Where's Michelangelo? Oh, give me a sign. A sign.
A sign!
What's this? Ah. One more clue.
So what are we looking for?
Anything that could help us find Michelangelo.
Hey, Dill, what is that?
Where?
That, over there.
Let's check it out.
What is it?
I don't know. I think we should get Jem.
Yeah, we should.
Hey, Jem! Come take a look at this. What is it? We found it right here.
I think it's Michelangelo's.
No way.
It's some kind of safe lock. I don't know.
Hey, Dill, just stay behind and follow us, okay? We're gonna look for some more clues.
Hey, Scout, you see that over there?
Over there?
Yeah, over there.
What do you think it is?
I don't know, some sort of trail or black hole.
Doesn't it look like it kind of leads to Michelangelo's house?
Wait, Scout! It does. It looks like that. It does.
Okay, be careful, Jem.
Alright,
Jem, be careful.
Hush.
Dill,
It looks like a tunnel.
Stay close.
Oh my god! It's a tunnel.
It looks like it leads to Michelangelo's house.
Should we go in?
No, I don't think so. It looks pretty deep.
Oh, alright.
Wait, what's that?
Over there!
It's Michelangelo!